Hi guys. I tried to take a picture, but the light, there we go. This is my before pictures. I had talked about in another video on this for photography. And you can see the wood frame down here. I don't know if they just had it up on blocks or what they did. I have no idea how they did this, but I'm going to recreate it my own way. So I did pick up some of these type of flowers. I probably should go get everything so you can see it. I'm still going to look down at my Family Dollar to see if, because I did get, they're called peonies, what are, these are roses. Yeah, these are roses. I picked up some really pretty, yeah. But these are the smaller version. Here's what the thing is of them. See, and they're similar to these. These are more high-end. I thought I saw some down at my Family Dollar. I'm going to check because they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Looks like 8. But I have these, and I have various colors. I think I got 2 pink. Are these the same? Yep. White ones with a little pink. I think I got 2 of those. I grabbed kind of like a yellowy color that's similar to this. But there's the flowers. Some of them. Anyway, I probably won't use all these, but my husband made me the bed. Here is the bed. So cute. And I'm going to paint it white. I'll probably do that tomorrow or something. I don't know. So this is the beginning of it. Then I'll post at the end of this video it being done. And he made me arch. There's some wire. I don't know if you can tell. There's some wire right here as an arch and an arch here. Now one is taller than the other. This is the head and this is the foot. So it'll be, I'll have to put it in the background so you guys can see it. But this, I have a pillow that is, this is a pinky peachy color. I have a light pink pillow that I'm going to put on here to use because I couldn't find that. Actually, I got Ariel's blanket. She has a pink blanket and I may use it, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But I'm not going to let the wood show here. On the edge here, I'm going to put a piece of lace. So I still want you to see the little feet. But this is going to be a photography thing for me to do with the babies. Now, let's get Angel because she's the bigger baby that I have. Come here, baby. And I want to see if she would fit. And she is going to fit perfect for little videos. It's going to fit perfect. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. And she has a pretty dress that I can put her in, that white one, that when I first did her on opening with the pink sweater. So I have an outfit for her. So this is the bigger, see, she fits on here perfect. Hubby figured it out just perfect. So I'm going to paint this and then decorate it with the flowers. I'll probably add that in the video, but it won't be over here. It'll be in my craft area. So it'll be a little different, but I'll add it onto this video so you can see me getting this ready and everything. And then we'll do a photo shoot, a photo thing with her. So anyway, there's my little, I thought about it after I showed it to you guys. I'm like, I wonder if I could do that. And then my other one, this one is the same thing, is the same bed down here, but they've added rope around something. So my little, I don't know if it'll work, but my little floor toy, I'm thinking I could add the ropes and hook it onto that, and so it looks like a swing. I don't know, I'm gonna try. But I wanted to do that look too, but we'll have to see. But anyway, there's my little video for that. And I hope you liked it. Stay tuned, because it's gonna go on. So next time you see me, I will be over at the craft table. Hey everybody, welcome back. How y'all doing? I am making this video for both channels. So this is what I was working on. I think if the pictures are still on my phone, I can try to upload them here, but I had my husband make me this little bed and what it looked like before. Let me get my phone to see if I can show you. A before picture. And let me find it. I know it's in here. It's probably on my Instagram. I don't know if I kept it on here. Nope, I didn't. Okay, so let's go over to my Instagram. Pictures. Okay. It started out, I can't make it smaller. Started out like that, these pieces. I didn't end up using these spindles because it got covered up anyway. So I didn't do that. And then my husband put the legs on. And then he did, I don't know if you can see, the wire going looping over so I can put the flowers on. And then I painted it all white. I should have videoed everything, but I didn't. And then this is what it looks like before the baby on it. So cute. And then I haven't and then with her sitting on it. So I wanted to do some cute photography things with my baby girl dolls. And I had showed this in a different video on my Reborn channel, but this is the inspiration for that photography. I went on to Pinterest and just picked out a bunch of stuff, and I love this. I actually have a pillow and a blanket upstairs that is this, that I can put on there, but I couldn't find it, so I just put a pink thing there. But this is the inspiration photo. It's not quite like it, but close enough. And I wanted to share how it came out, and it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna find something cute for a little boy. I have a Tonka truck, but a little prop thing for a little boy's stuff. But I can add more flowers to this, or different ones. I think it needs some green. I mean, it has green leaves, but it needs something poking out. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do with that. I got some tall leaves, I think, that can come out. So this one has some like leaves coming out. See? And I mean, it has leaves, but I don't think it has enough poking out. But I wanted to share with you how it came out. So this video will go up on both channels, my personal channel and my Reborn channel. But I wanted to share it with you guys. So there you go. It's so cute. It came out beautiful. And little Angel looks adorable on there. And she's a 0 to 3 month size doll. So if I had a baby, a real baby, I could do that on here. But you know, because you'd have to hold make sure the baby don't move. So I thought this was so cute, so I had to take a picture of her in here, and that's probably why these, and they're all on wires so they can move around. And see, the darker green looks really good, so I need to find, I have a whole bucket full of just leaves that I'm going to add into this. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I wanted to share it with y'all, and we'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye.